Welcome back, students. Here is color test C. This is going to be color vibration. Color vibration happens when you have two colors with high intensity at the same value. So your eye can only see the hue difference, and it makes it almost hurt your eyes. So we're going to write this down. And over here on the edge, I made a note. The best colors for this project are going to be blue, red, and green. You can use all of them or maybe just two of them. It's really kind of up to you. The trick is getting them at the same value. Purple could work if you make it lighter, but you need to keep the intensity very high and bright. It won't work if your intensity is low. It gets very, very dim, obviously. So let's test out some colors. Start with some very bright red. Put that in the background. Then we'll grab a bright green. See how this works. It's close, not perfect. Then we'll try out a blue. I believe that this blue works almost perfectly. It starts to hurt my eyes almost right away. So with the green, I think I would try to make it just a little bit darker. And I think I do that in just a second. So, blue's a good match. If it's right, it will hurt your eyes. That's what I'm writing down here. So, get rid of that real quick. Some double taps to erase what we're writing. We'll try to fix the green. I'm going to make it just a little bit darker, and I do think that it works a little bit better. I think that has a little more vibration. So I write better. And what we'll go through is then, let's take these three colors, put them over to the side, and we'll try them out, rearranging which one's in the background and which ones are in the foreground. So here's our green, sample our blue, paint that down, sample the red, paint that down. So now let's switch it up. What happens if blue becomes the background color, and then we move red to where the blue is? There you go. Doesn't quite work as well this way. Maybe it tells me that maybe one of them could be changed a little bit. But overall, it's pretty close. Let's try green background. Put blue there. Green and the red are working pretty well here. I feel like the blue's a little bit dark. Probably could have lightened that up just a hair. But I think what I do instead is make the green just a touch darker, and this does work better, I think, for both of them. And that's the trick for this project, is just moving your values back and forth, staying very bright, pretty much straight out of the tube colors. Here we're going to go through and try to lighten up all the colors and make it work. It didn't work. We'll try it again. Sometimes the program doesn't understand the colors so well, so we'll play with the blue, that blue and that green working pretty well there. And you can always tell when your eyes hurt, it's a good indication that you have the values right. So it can be lighter, it can be darker, it's kind of up to you, but you have to make sure that you don't lose any of the intensity. So if you make it too light or if you make it too dark, it will lose its intensity and then it won't work. So I think that's it for this one. Good luck in mixing, and we'll see you for color test D.